If this buy and sell indicator on TradingView doesn't impress you, I don't know what will. This is one of the best indicators on TradingView, and I'm going to show you exactly why. Not only is it highly accurate, but you can also set up alerts easily, which means you don't have to keep staring at the charts all day. You can just check in when the alerts go off, and you'll know exactly when to act. This can save you a lot of time and effort, especially if you're a busy person. Let's go directly to the chart now, and we're going to add the first indicator, which is the linear regression candles by Uguru. We'll go ahead and select it here, and you'll notice that it appears in a different color. This makes it easy to distinguish the signals from other parts of the chart, so it's more user-friendly. Now that we have it, let's move on to the next indicator. This one is an alert bot called the UT Bot Alerts by Quant Nomad. It's another great tool to have because it helps you stay on top of the market without constantly monitoring it. We select it here, and now we have both indicators on the chart. Let's go to the settings of the UT Bot Alerts and make some adjustments. Go to Inputs, and in this section, we'll change the K value to 2 and the ATR period to 1. After making these changes, click OK. Now, as you can see, more signals start to appear on the chart, which is a good sign. This means that the settings are working as expected, and we'll be able to see more trading opportunities. The strategy behind this setup is very simple, but it works really well, especially for beginner traders. This makes it a great option if you're just starting out. The key is to keep things straightforward. The buy strategy is also very simple. All we need to do is wait for a buy signal to appear on the chart. Once we see it, we can jump in. And as you can see, the strategy works very well. When it triggers a buy signal, the price tends to go up, and when it triggers a sell signal, it tends to go down. It's a very reliable method for short-term trades. For example, here's a signal where the linear regression candles are above the line. This is a good time to enter the trade. On the other hand, if the candle is below the line, like in this case, we wouldn't take the trade because it's not following the pattern. But here we have a buy signal with the candle above the line, so this is a trade we'd want to take. We enter the market here, and as you can see, the price moves in our favor. This would be a winning trade, and we don't need to overcomplicate things. It's really that simple. Let's go back and find another example. We can go further back in time and look for another clear buy signal. Here's one that stands out. The candle is a little above the line, and the next one is within, so we can enter the market right here. Now we set a target. For instance, let's say we aim for a 1.7 risk-to-reward ratio, and as you can see, this target is hit easily. For a 5-minute chart, that's a great result. However, this strategy works especially well on the 1-hour chart, so let's switch to that time frame. On the 1-hour chart, we can see another buy signal here. Let's take this one as well. We move to the next candle and place a target of 1.5 or even 2. With a 2 risk-to-reward ratio, the target is hit with ease. That's another 1.5% gain, or 2% if we use the higher target. This strategy is all about consistency and being patient. We keep looking, and here's another buy signal. We enter the trade, set a 2 ratio, and that's another winning trade. When we move to short trades, it's exactly the same process. We look for a sell signal, and when we see one, we enter the trade. For example, here's a sell signal below the line. We enter here and set a target with a 1.5 ratio. Unfortunately, this trade doesn't hit the target, and we would lose this one. This shows that not every trade will be a winner, but the key is to win more than you lose, which is exactly what the strategy helps you do. We keep going, and here's another sell signal that works perfectly. We enter, set a 2 ratio, and hit the target. That's another winning trade. As we continue looking for more opportunities, we find that this method works consistently, and we can keep applying it across different time frames. For example, here's a buy signal that's well above the line, so we take it. Another winning trade. This strategy is all about taking the signals that align with the trend and avoiding the ones that don't. It's as simple as that. For example, here's another buy signal, and we enter the trade, set a 2 ratio, and that's another winning trade. The key to success with this strategy is consistency. We keep looking for opportunities, entering trades, and setting reasonable targets. Over time, this leads to a steady accumulation of profits.
In total, with 100 trades, you can earn $1,000 per day. That's 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 $1,000 I've achieved 82 successful trades and 18 losses. This means I've lost only 18 trades and still managed to achieve a return of 620%. This is with low leverage of just 2x, so it's definitely a strategy that can work for you too. I highly recommend giving it a try. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.